Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will not be working on the Civic Type R, installing a FITCAMX dash cam on my 2019 Honda Insight Touring. What makes this dash cam different is it replaces part of the factory mirror housing, so once it's installed it looks like it came with the car. So we're going to be installing it on this 2019 Honda Insight Touring. This is a hybrid. And if you couldn't tell, it's already actually been installed, and it's just, that's what I love about it. You wouldn't even know it's there. It's like secretive. Inside the box, we have the main dash cam and replacement housing. It comes with a wiring harness, installation tool, and other accessories needed for the installation of your dash cam. Okay, we have all the parts out now. You can see that this, one of the coolest things about this is that it just has such a nice OEM look to it. So this looks like this install is going to be super easy. So as we walk up to my Honda, the camera is basically just going to be going right here, and you're not even going to be able to tell it's there. So that's one of the nicest things about this dash cam X, is for that OEM fit finish. Here is what the factory mirror housing looks like on this Honda Insight, and I think it's the same as the 10th generation Honda Civic. So I'm also going to give you guys an affiliate code that gives you 8% off, and I'll put that in a link in description, and we'll also put that in a comment. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this box, and then we also have to take this part apart. They give us a little pry tool here. So I've just been starting up here, and then starting right there, and then right there, and right there, and it seems like it's already wiggling off, so look, it was pretty easy so far. So okay, now we have that part off. It came off super easy, and now we have the camera system there, and I believe that's also the lane keep assist for the Honda. Next, we're going to take off this next piece right here, and I think what we start is we use the pry tool, and we pop out the lights first. For the lights, it's pretty simple. You just put your little tool in there and kind of just move a little wiggle there, and look at that, comes right out. Very easy so far. And boom, look at that. And we have some nice LED upgraded lights from Oxito. Okay, we got the lights out. Now we got 2 Phillips screws in there. We're gonna pop those out. Should be super easy. Okay, we've taken those 2 screws out. Now you just pull it out and it comes out really easy. Boom. And then from there, it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little harnesses. Now there is one little clip in there I could probably take off, and then I'd be able to bring this down to show you guys more, but it's just your traditional Honda clips. It looks like it's going to be super easy just to pop out each one. And as you guys know, it comes with a wiring harness down here, so super easy install. Okay, as we first put the new piece on from FITCAMX, there's going to be this black wire, and we're going to have to run that above the headliner, and there's actually a spot for it. Okay, as you can see, we have the new dash cam installed so far. We don't have it fully installed, but you can see just how clean and nice this looks. It has the camera right there and has a power button, and then right here is where the micro SD card goes. And now I think we're gonna basically just plug all this back in to this thing right here, and then that's pretty much it. And then we're going to drive around and get some data and see what we think of this dash cam. What's also cool about the FITCAMX, it uses a vehicle-specific wiring harness, which allows the camera to receive power from the existing electronics near the mirror, and this is what eliminates the need for a visible cable running everywhere. So it just has a really nice, clean look to it. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different spots where we're just going to basically plug these right back in with the factory harness. Okay guys, now we have it all installed. Let's go ahead and turn the car on and see what happens. You can see some blue lights blinking up there. I probably need to turn the app on and get that all set up for you guys. And then there's also like a little piece of blue tape right there. You want to make sure you take that off too. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm installing the FITCAMX dash cam on my 2019 Honda Insight Touring, which very similar to the Civic Type R as far as the type of technology it uses on the dash cam and the install process. But I'm going to show you guys just how beautiful it looks. Okay, we are inside my house because it is super hot outside, but you just turn the app on. You basically connect to it. You put the password in, which is in your user manual, and then it automatically connects to your dash cam. Now, since we just installed it today, I'm gonna drive for a day or two and try to get some content for you guys, and we'll include that in the video. So, and again, there is a 8% discount. Well, we just went on a little test run. So far, it's working great. We even opened the app, and within about 5 seconds, it's showing me everything. I went into the settings and turned on the sound. I'm gonna have to do some night driving and then look at the test video on my actual computer and see what I think. But so far, everything's working great. Super easy install. Highly recommend it so far. It's nice having a dash cam on your, you know, daily driver.
Is there something specific you are looking for?
So overall, I'm really happy with the FITCAMX. So far it's been working great. The video quality looks really nice, and my favorite part, it has that OEM style look. Once it's installed, it blends in really nicely, 4K, and you can't go wrong. So if you have a Honda Insight or Honda Civic, Civic Type R, check their website out because I know they have it for several different cars. And if you go with my link, it will give you also a 8% discount. So check it out. Thanks for watching.